So as we're working through, you guys already said that the little pieces are different minerals, different pieces of sediment, the different colors, that's what that represents. And the little pieces are actually sediment. So just a quick little review, you guys have the rock cycle up in front of you, but how does sediment occur? How is it made?
Erosion.
Correct. Which can be through the different processes that we explained, like... Correct. Right? So here's another question for you guys. Do you think that every rock goes through the rock cycle?
Yes.
In some time or another, probably, for sure. And then, like a diamond, what are some other examples of like rare materials or gems or things that you guys can think of that are definitely made from the rock cycle?
Emerald.
Emeralds, that's a great one. That's very close to a diamond. Emeralds and diamonds are formed from carbon matter. So like coal over years and through the rock cycle can produce a diamond.
Obsidian.
Obsidian? Yep. What an example would be of the obsidian? How's that formed?
Magma coming out and cooling really, really fast.
Right.
Making lumps last.
Okay. So why is obsidian glassy and clear then, Mike, compared to pumice or another type of igneous rock?
Because it cools so fast.
Very good. This guy knows his geology.
The science fair project.
Actually, to answer questions.
All right, guys. So next, what I want you to do is start. People can still keep cutting pieces, but start taking your sediment and forming it together, putting it all together.
Like into a ball? You know what I mean? In a layer? Or like into
Just-
a ball?
Yeah, ball, layer, anything. Just start smashing it together. What do you think this represents as far as the process in the rock cycle?
Pressure.
Compaction and cementation.
Compaction and cementation, right. Melissa, yeah, pressure is being used to cement it and compact it together, definitely.
Yeah, just squishing it together.
Except for these scissors are real sketchy.
Yeah.
I think you have to consider this as a word getting into it, right?
So then as you guys are putting them together, obviously you notice the different colors in there. So again, the different colors are different sediments and minerals, as we said. But as it's being cemented and compacted together, what are we forming? What kind of rock?
Sedimentary.
Yep, refer back to the rock cycle, guys, if you need to. But yeah, compaction and cementation produces a sedimentary rock. We'll get to metamorphic. And as you guys can see, as we're working through this rock cycle, like I mentioned, what I really wanted you guys to concentrate in on is following the big arrows for right now. We're not going to do any of the cross-cutting things that can happen in the rock cycle. We're going to keep it basic for today until you guys fully understand it. Alright, everybody's getting it together. So next, what I want you guys to do is we're going to move on through the rock cycle and we're going to apply what to produce a metamorphic rock? Heat and pressure? Correct, heat and pressure. So really work it in your hands and hurry because we're running out of time. Get it heated up, get the pressure, and then what I want you guys to do is to take it and put it in the wax paper and smash it with your book. Then after you smash it, take it and fold it and smash it with your book again. And do that process a few times. And then recognize the changes, how things are starting to change and colors are coming together.
Oh, yeah.
So remember that high temp and high pressure is where inside of the earth? Where does it increase? The deeper you go or the further to the surface?
Deeper.
Deeper, correct.
I know, right?
So next then, guys, we're not going to have time to do this, but we're going to then transfer it into an igneous rock. So how would we do that?
Get really hot.
Right, and we would do that with a hot plate on foil. I'm sure you guys can imagine what that would look like once it's heated up. All the colors are going to run, it's going to bubble, and it's going to look entirely different from what you guys formed. So that works through the rock cycle, and we started with a sedimentary rock and worked to a metamorphic rock and worked to an igneous rock. Now, what would you guys think we would need to do to go from a sedimentary rock right to an igneous rock?
Heat it up really quick. Melt it.
Right. High temperature to melt it. So, how could we change a metamorphic rock directly into a sedimentary rock? By, how would we break it down?
Yeah.
Very good, very good. So, any rock can be weathered or eroded, right? Except some igneous rocks. So, for your post-test, I want you guys to write down in your own words what the rock cycle is. And then next, I want you guys to tell me what 4 products of the rock cycle are, or your rock types. Next question, what are the processes involved in the rock cycle? Then next is the rock cycle unidirectional, and that again means moving in one direction. Then for an assessment for this, what I will do is students will be assessed on the use of a narrative essay. So they'll pick one type of rock and then write a possible biography of it. They can name their rock. I want them to get really creative with this. And mainly what I want them to address in their story is the type of rock that it started as, how the rock formed, and how it's going to change as it goes through the rock cycle and through its life.
Thank you.